aircraft is registered as Bravo Kilo Quebec Juliet. It is took off at the southern runway 25 left at exactly 10:03 a.m. local time and landed at Xiamen at runway 97 at 11:05 a.m. local time. She took on flight number 63820 with a great circle distance of 196 km, a short flight time 1 hour and 2 minutes, and a check of 250 degrees as you can see here. So I'm not sure she will get the target, probably she will make the rest of it, but I have a feeling that she will get painted white. I'm not sure about this. Let's see if she will get put up to a lesser and to be sold to at least to another airline. So the reason why they're relying their dismiss on the boost is because they will be replacing the older ones to the Boeing 777-906, which will be delivered next year, or if I'm not mistaken. So for the details of Bravo Kilo Quebec Juliet, kindly check the previous video about this bird. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. Or by me, Roberto Monaco Ignacio, as well as my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin, Rafael. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.